Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to be showing you how I recreated Starbucks holiday cups on my nails. So here I already have the base color already down on my nails. I chose this nice pinky red shade. I was trying to match the red as close as possible to the red on the cup, but it was kind of hard to completely match it. But I ended up going with Light Elegance's Jester, which is a pinky red shade. So I put 2 coats on all of my nails. And here is the holiday Starbucks cup. This is the pattern I am going to be recreating onto my nails. Now I have recreated Starbucks holiday nails twice before. I'll go ahead and put pictures up as well as leave links to videos down below. I just think it's fun. I don't know why I started recreating Starbucks holiday cups on my nails, but I think it's really fun. I do it every few years, so it's been a while since I've done them, so I had to bring it back this year. So to start out with, we're going to use Young Nails Mission Control Paint Giant, which is this green shade. We're going to use this as the green for the circle behind the Starbucks logo. I go ahead and create a cross and then try to fill it in, try to create as even as a circle as I possibly can. I give that a full cure, then I go in with Young Nails Fizz, which is their white in Mission Control, and I'm going to go ahead and paint on the Starbucks logo. Now I don't get all of the detailing from the Starbucks lady down because I am creating it on such a small scale. It's hard to get all of those little lines together. But I'm going to go ahead and take my detailer brush from Young Nails. This is the tiniest brush I own. And I'm just going to slowly go in. I'm going to start with her head, move on to her body, do her crown. We're just going to slowly start filling it in. And I do flash cure kind of in between every couple of lines just to make sure it is all set. And even though I have drawn the Starbucks lady twice before, it is still just as hard. It seems like no matter how much practice I have drawing her, she is still very difficult to draw. She has a lot of detail. And once I get all of the white lines on, I give that a full cure. Then I go back in with the green and I fix the one side of her hair that kind of flooded together a little bit. And then I go in and try to create the detailing on her face, so her eyes, lips, and nose. Again, I don't get all of the detail 100% correct in there, but you can tell that this is Starbucks. Moving on to the rest of the design for the cup, we're going to take Madam Glam's Girl Power. This is a bright purple, and I'm going to mix it with Madam Glam's Perfect White to create that softer magenta type shade. I didn't have anything close, so I just had to custom mix it, which is totally fine. I custom mix colors all the time. So starting with my pinky, I'm going to go ahead and do a stripe of this pink just down the middle. And then on my pointer finger, I'm going to do a stripe of the pink, starting center of the nail and then filling it in to one side, because then the other side is going to have a green stripe. So I will go back in and do that green stripe with the Young Nails green, keeping that the same shade. So once I have the stripes down, this is what we're working with. Now I'm going to go in and add the dot detailing. So I start with my pointer finger and I fill in the red dots. I use the same base color I did for the background of the nails. And I just go down and create circles and fill them in all the way down the stripe. And then I do the same on the pinky nail, again creating those red dots going all the way down the pink line. Then I go back in and add more detailing to the dots. So on the pinky, I'm going to do half of the dots with the green because they are split on the cup. And then on the pointer finger, we're going to do the half of the dot that's on the green side of the stripe, we're going to do in white. And I did find it easier to do the whole circle in one color and then go in and fill in the half detailing versus trying to do half the circle in one color and then do the other half in the other color and try to match the shape. It was definitely easier to just create the whole circle in one color and then go over that and fill it in with your half color. Then I do decide to go back in and add some star detailing on the sides of the striped nails in white. And now it's time for top coat. I will be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. And here's how my nails came out. They came out super cute. I love doing these Starbucks holiday designs. It's super fun and it's cool to have Starbucks right on your nails. I don't know, it's really fun. It kind of starts getting you into the festive mood when you order a nice peppermint mocha and you have these red Starbucks holiday nails. It just puts you into the Christmas spirit. Let me know down below, what is your choice of holiday drink from Starbucks? Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy seeing me do these Starbucks holiday cup nails. And make sure you are subscribed for more holiday tutorials coming up very soon. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.